out, what you're gonna want to do is, let me move some of this stuff out of the way. Okay, so you've got a bolt here, a bolt there, a bolt there. Let me grab my light. There's another bolt. Where is that thing? Down there. Where is it? Right there. That one. You've got two on the side over here, underneath these lines. That red one and the one above it. And then to undo this fuel line, pop this down, pop this side down, this side up. That slides out, disconnects the rail. Okay, so when you get all these bolts undone, this black piece, this whole black piece right here, wraps around, goes down through here, is going to come out. And then once that black piece comes out, you can get your fuel rail out. Now it's going to be kind of difficult to get out of there. You're going to want to wiggle, pull back and forth. I've very gently used a pry bar and popped it out. But obviously this car has the plastic valve cover, so you're going to want to be very careful. And then obviously unplug your injectors. And you've got that one, that plug that needs to come out. Because you're going to want this harness to be out of the way. Because this black piece right here that has to come out wraps around down there. And it's kind of a pain to get out. So you're going to want to undo all these little fittings right here, so you can get to it. So like I said, there's that one down there. Those two on the side. That, and the plugs. And then, once you get the rail out, pop it out, undo this, take the fuel rail over to your bench. Once you get it over to your bench, pop it upside down, and make sure all the old rings are coming out. Now, what holds them in there is just a little metal clip. That's all that holds the injector to the rail, is a metal clip. So if it bends any, whenever you're taking the old out, the little metal clip, make sure you squeeze it back together. And then when you go to pull the injectors out after you take those clips out, some of them are going to separate, like that one did. This is a complete one. That one separated, and this stayed. So, get you a little bit of oil, wipe your new rings, pop them up in there, put your clips on, put all your stuff back, and you will be good to go. Alright? And then obviously, before you get everything put back together, I would pressure test it. You know, put all your lines and everything back together, pressure test it, verify there's no leaks, and then you can assemble everything else back together. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you like my content, feel free to subscribe, like, whatever. I do all kinds of stuff. I've got a turbo, I'm turboing this car actually as we speak. It's an ES Lancer, and I've started on it. Got the intercooler in, and what I'm doing right now is plumbing it for oil. There's an oil feed plug. But this is my turbo Lancer build. It's just a regular ES Lancer. I have a turbo kit off of a crashed out Ralliart. Alright, so if you want to see some more, subscribe or check for my other videos. Have a good one.